Hello, everybody. Welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you my LinkedIn routine because sometimes people ask me, hey, Steph, how do you organize your time to make sure that you stick with your daily activities on LinkedIn? So I just want to give you an overview. So this might either inspire you or help you like optimizing your time for LinkedIn and also making sure that you include all the daily activities on to grow on LinkedIn. Okay, so first thing that I do every morning, I'm currently living in Japan and I post at 9 a.m. European time, which is 4 p.m. Japan time. So when I wake up, the first thing that I do is I do outreach. If I were to live in Europe, I would probably create the post the day before. And so the first thing that I'll do will still be reaching out to the new prospects, kind of like the hardest thing to do in a way. I need to be more mentally fresh to do that. And so I do that first thing in the morning. Second thing, I reply to all DMs. So all the people that reach out the day before or the days before, they're gonna get back to me. I reply to those messages, and also all the messages that I replied the day before, I reply the next day. Then I create a post. Again, if I were to, let's say, I typically wake up early in the morning, but even though I do, I will create probably the post the day before. Let's say I'm posting at 9 a.m. every morning. Just want to make sure that that post is ready. So I'll probably create the on Monday, I'll create posts for Tuesday and so on. I reply to all comments on my posts, and then I comment on other people's posts for about 25 minutes before my post goes out. So I do these activities kind of like an hour, 45 minutes before my post goes out. Then my daily, my personal routine, just if you want to have an overview of what I do, I create, in addition to what you see here, I create a post, I create an email for my list pretty much every day from Monday to Friday, create a YouTube video twice a week, pretty much, sometimes more. It depends, but at least a couple of times a week. I reply to all people in my community, have a private community, and I reply to all the people there. Okay, so first thing, where do I find new prospects to reach out to? Because this is one of the questions that I get the most. First, I get people in my email list. So I have an email list. I ask for, I'm not going to share the contacts. I have about 1,100 leads here. Not all of them are leads, so I usually ask for name and family name when people sign up, so I can go and reach out to them on LinkedIn. So this is my priority now. And then the second source of leads is my followers on LinkedIn. Followers, inbound connection requests. You can find them here. Followers, you can find them here. If you don't have enough of those, what you do, you go to the people that view your profile. So just make sure that you reach out to 10 new people every day, right? Followers, then there's profile views. And also there's this little hack. If you can, let's say you are targeting consultants. If you can have multiple keywords here for example, consultants, I think you need to put it in brackets, or let's say a founder or co-founder, like however many keywords you want to have. I mean, there's a limit, but within those limits, you can have however many keywords you want to have. The more, the merrier. And go click on people. Then click on second and third degree connections. Actually, you don't even need to click here. Just go all filters, second and third degree connections on all filters. And then when you click on people, connections of followers of yourself. So this is one of my favorite sources of leads. Why? Because these are all people that started following you and then the geography is also important here. Like pick whatever, you can pick multiple, like even 20, 30. The language, so for me, there's English, Italian. And then you click on show results. And I recommend you save this link somewhere save this, actually this bookmark. As you can see here, I have one here with more keywords, just to give you an example. So because here you have all the people that follow you, but you're not connected to. So meaning these are people that somehow they like what you had to say, what you had to, your profile is something that you posted. And these are kind of like your hottest leads, right? Of course, these are all people that connected with you, let's start following you in the past, but sometimes some people slip through the cracks. So I recommend having something like this and go checking the people here as well. So this is how you find the people that you should reach out to. And then you reply to all the DMs. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, this is my process, my LinkedIn routine, and also I also share with you my personal routine beyond LinkedIn, things that I do every day or almost every day, because videos I don't do every day. Okay, see you in the next video.